more you cease and desist the investigation from my mother. You hear that?
So you come in at my place, tie me up, physically assault me, and you think me I gonna make that slide? And now me I gonna sink you.
No, I'm me. I go sink you. Yes, it is. Real.
Really? I thought you got that on eBay.
Tiffany, you see if you not back off, me, I gonna make the police them know say you plan your own kidnapping and never get charged for it. And if that no work, me I just send them this. But think your mother did dead. Now she this. Or is a ghost me see yesterday? But me tell you this now. If you continue investigate me, me gonna make every news media know say your mother alive. And she gonna spend the rest of her life in prison. And not just she, you and your uncle. I'm gonna make the police them know so they know about our plan. It's called conspiracy. You're dumb. No?
So you don't really involve my family in your petty shit?
You wanna test me? Me did beg you for back off and allow me, but you wouldn't listen. Oh, but no, say your mother rob your father a couple millions to pay off the doctor woman. Like how your mother have some money now, you might want to use it for buy a plane ticket and go back to foreign and look after your father and pursue a different career. But me and you, nothing I see in country. You hear that?
I need to talk to you.